Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might be the best ultra-absorbent 22x22-inch 100-count dog pee pads on the market right now. The Gorilla Guard Disposable Puppy Pads. If you're training a new puppy, caring for a senior dog, or just want a stress-free indoor potty solution, this product promises to deliver. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the first standout feature, Gorilla Guard's 5-layer guard protection. These pads are engineered to absorb up to 6.7 cups of liquid. That's an impressive claim, and it's made possible by a construction that's both smart and durable. The inner structure is built for strength, with 5 layers that work together to lock in moisture and keep your floors clean and dry. And it doesn't stop there. The Gorilla Guard pads include 3 times the amount of inner absorbing layers compared to standard pee pads. At the core of each pad, you'll find a super absorbent polymer layer sandwiched between 2 wood pulp tissue layers. This combination turns liquid into gel on contact, minimizing odor, maximizing dryness, and giving your dog a comfortable, dry surface every time. Next, let's talk about leak protection. Nobody wants to deal with accidental messes, and Gorilla Guard addresses this with a heavy-duty leak-proof PE plastic film lining. It's not just underneath, it wraps the entire pad with a sealed border, ensuring that no liquid escapes. Whether it's hardwood, carpet, or tile, these pads are built to keep your surfaces protected. Now, if you've ever used a dog pad and ended up with paw prints tracked around your home, Gorilla Guard has a solution for that too. The quilted topside layer not only feels soft under your pet's paws, but it also captures excess moisture effectively. That means less tracking and a cleaner home environment overall. One of the things we really appreciate here at Product Critique is value, and with 100 pads in a single pack, you're getting a lot of utility. Whether you use them every day or just occasionally, the convenience and easy disposal of this 100-count pack make it a practical choice for dog owners at any stage. Each pad measures 22 inches by 22 inches, giving your pet ample space, while still being compact enough to fit in apartments, crates, or any training area. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a trustworthy, absorbent, and hassle-free pee pad option, Gorilla Guard may just be your new go-to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.